India has banned all forms of real money games, citing social and financial risk, even as consumer spending touched nearly rupees 10,000 crores in July 2025. So, what are your views here, and how significant could its impact be on jobs, revenues, and digital economy?
Sure. I think some of these decisions, when they are taken, there will always be some beneficiaries and there will be somebody who gets hurt by the decision. I think the country has taken a decision saying that, and remember, this 10,000 crore number is based on what the chief economic advisor referred to as the money on average every month, which was being transferred through the UPI system. Now, in addition to that, people may have also been using other payment forms, whether it is normal bank transfers or whether it is, credit cards to participate in real money gambling. So 1,20,000 crores on an annualized basis spent by consumers is a minimum number. It could even be higher than that. That is a big number. I think rightly so, the government is concerned. And, we've seen the data in terms of how many younger people, what you would call 18 to 24, first time people entering the workforce, who were actually participating in this. High participation by women as well. I'd love to see more participation by women in many things, but seeing high participation here was actually surprising. And therefore, I think there are many reasons for the government to say, hey, we need to sort of put a break on this. Remember, the government is not saying they will do away with gaming. They have actually said things like esports, people taking part in non-money gaming, they are fine with. So if people want an outlet to play something online, that will still be available because these regulations permit that. It is real money gaming, which you might otherwise call gambling, that they are trying to put a halt on, because we do have to worry that this is something which could compromise our demographic dividend. Now, there has been, I believe, close to, maybe even $2 billion of money from VCs and PE funds which may have gone into this sector. Obviously, all of that will take a big hit. So yes, there is some corollary damage, but sometimes when tough decisions have to be taken, you have to see what the longer term benefits or ramifications of not acting could be vis-a-vis what the immediate cost of taking those actions can be. So I think policymakers have taken this decision in order to preserve the long-term benefits of the demographic dividend. We don't want people destroying their lives and money on this easy form of gambling. And without doubt, making this available on a mobile phone means that the barrier to get involved has really had gone down very significantly. Yes, some corollary damage is possible, but as far as the economy is concerned, if people were spending 1,20,000 crores here, now they'll spend it somewhere else. So the economy will move on, but there will be some capital damage to those who were part of this industry. But when that spending moves to other industries, people will get re-employed in other industries. So yes, painful at a micro level, but in a macro level, I think it is a prudent and welcome decision.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.